Hello, Mr. Ryan. Okay, so what's this? We have learned this before, yeah? Do we have it? Yeah. Microbit, yeah? Yeah. So this is actually a very useful, very powerful device, little device, okay? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, so it's like this one. This one, look. Yeah, this one. It's tiny. It's a tiny. And it has how many dots on it? 25. 25. 5 rows, 5 columns, yeah? It's a little device by BBC. If you look at it, it says BBC Microbit on it. And this is the emulator. So you see on the left screen, yeah, this is kind of this little version on the computer, so you can see how the code works. Okay. Mm-hmm. So we have a bunch of tools here. The basic input. These are very useful. That it allows us to just drag and drop. With these drag and drop the stuff. Yeah, the logic to this is the code area, which I choose Python. Previously we learned about JavaScript. Yeah, but Python, we have learned Python all these days, so let's just try use the Python. So to prove how to show how it works, let's say we can just do this. Let's say basic dot show string, and let's just print basic is a module, and then show string hello. Yeah. So if we click on this, then you will have this hello. Yeah. Got it? Yeah. Okay. So I have got this little device here. Yeah. It's connected to my USB. Yeah. Then I can look. This is the code, yeah, which is just one line shows hello. And then if you look at here, okay. So should I restart it? Hello, okay, hello, yeah. If you see, hello, yeah, and then it proves that it works all right in this simulator. Then we can download it.
It's pink.
Yeah, we can download it. Yeah, he asked us to pair, but that's fine. We just download the file. Download done, and then we can just drag and drop this file to the USB Microbit. Yeah, and then it's downloading to the little device Microbit here.
They can't see it.
Yeah, they can't see it because I'm not showing that window, but it's just a window to show the downloading to the Microbit. Okay, and that's it. And you see, hello, yeah, you see, hello, yeah, yeah. Do you see it? Yeah, do you see it? Okay, so that's how we write the code, test it on computer on this screen, and then once everything is okay, we download it here, and then we can play. Yeah. You might also see this. There are 2 buttons.
Catch
yeah?
pizza.
Yeah, two buttons. These are input, and
they're
screen.
full in pizza, which is just right dot. Then you have to catch them.
Where? Oh,
when you press A, you go left, and B, you go right.
Okay, yeah. Normally we do it like that.
Yeah,
okay.
apple catching.
Yeah. We did it. Maybe
pizza.
we can do it tomorrow. Okay, we can do it tomorrow. Look. This is the screen, which is output, and A and B is the input, and there are a few pins. Yeah, which we don't have to worry about it now. These pins are connected to a hardware. Some other hardware. But all we care now is A, B. This is the input. 2 buttons, which we can see. It's the input. Yeah, you can use it as a joystick. Yeah, controller, and then this is the screen. And then if you can connect with these pins, sometimes you can connect to a speaker, and you can connect to a camera, right? Yeah, connect to a sensor, etc. Okay, so let's do something useful. Like for example, if I want to say press A, then we want to show the character A, and press B, we want to show the character B on the screen. Look here, we have the input. Look here, yeah, and then here it says run code on button pressed, and then we can just drag here, yeah, you see, and this is the code it just generates us on button. You see, define, yeah, we learn this, yeah, Python, yeah, input on button press, button A on button press. Then we can say basic dot show string A, okay, and then similarly, what do we do? We can just do another copy and paste, and then we can say on button B, and then here on button B, yeah, and here on button B, here on button B. Okay, then we can here. It's nothing, yeah, but look, press A, press B, got it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, do you see? Look, we define 2 functions, button A and button B. Button A show button, show A, button B, show B. Input dot on button pressed. Look, it even tells us what is this function for. Yeah, do something when a button A, B, or both A plus B is pushed down and released again. So okay, this is very interesting. You can control when two buttons are pressed together. Yeah. Okay. So look, if I download it to here, then you'll be working here. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, do get it now. Yeah. Look, these are there are a few more interesting things.
Math.
Look, yeah, don't worry about this math because we learned about this programming in Python. We can just do all this math stuff. Yeah, logic. Yeah, logic. If else. Yeah, this is quite simple to you, right? Yeah, we know the Python if statement. Yeah, the math. Yeah, plus, minus, multiply, divide. This is basic. Yeah, arrays. Yeah, we talk about arrays. So these just are useful, for kids. Yeah, but not for you, right? Yeah, because you learn a lot, right? Yeah, got it. Okay, your kids as well. Okay, and show test. Yeah, show test. This is easy. Okay, the other thing we want to talk about is LDD. So how do we control this little dot 25 on the screen? So we have this LED dot plot. Okay, this is unplot actually. Dot plot. Plot. So if plot 0, 0 is the first dot. So if I do that, then the first dot, yeah, is turned on. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Let's try plus 1, 0. So look, x, y. So x, y. X is horizontal, y is vertical. So x, y. So you'll be plot the two dots. Yeah. Okay. Do you get it? Yeah. Okay, so now we have another one called unplot. So let's say we want to unplot. So LED.unplot. Unplot 1, 0. So actually you will only show one dot, right? Because the second dot is plotted and then we unplot it immediately, so we can't see it turn on, right? So with this is actually very useful. So we can control it. So let's say we want to control a dot. Okay, a dot going from left to the right, up to the down, and then when it goes to the bottom, and it goes back to the first one, right? So how do we do it? Let's say x equals 0, y equals 0, right? Yeah. So we have something here which is called control run code. Do we see run code every a few seconds, or probably where is it? Advanced, probably advanced. No. Loops. No loops. Oh, run code every interval. Okay. So this is useful. Let's just put it here. Loop every interval 500. Let's put it as 200 milliseconds on every interval. So let's say global x, y. Okay. So this is to allow us to control these two variables. So what do we want to do? First of all, we want to plot for the location. Right. After plot the location, then we want to actually let's unplot it first, and then we want to x is horizontal, yeah. X plus equals 1. Then if goes to the right, so if x equal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it equals 5, it means that it's beyond the screen, right? It's on the right hand side. So what we want to set is x equals 1, then y needs to plus equals 1, right? Because it's going down, right? Then if y equals 5 again, then y needs to go back to what? Go back to the 0, right? And then we need to plot it again, right? All right. Let's see how it goes. It's not quite right. Okay. So e.fn is not a function. Okay. This is weird. Okay. So LED plot. Okay.
Sad face.
Yeah. That's a problem. I have no idea at the moment. X plus equals 1. If x equal 5, means that x is on the right hand side on here, right? Just right here. Then x equals to 1. Then y needs to plus equals 1. Y needs to move to the next row, right? And then if y equals 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then y equals 0. It seems alright. Then LED plot x, y. What does it say? Why it says e.fn is not a function? I have
What's e.fn?
No idea. So what does it say? Why it says e.fn not found? interval. So let's say what's the parameter of the second one? Okay, Ryan, are you okay? Okay, so what does it say? Interval number to wait in repeat. Okay, so is 200, and then the function which is the on every interval. Okay, that seems alright, right? So unplot aed.unplot xy and x plus equals 1. Okay, so is there a problem with this one? X equals 1. Okay, so that's a problem. If x equals 1, if x equals 5, x equals 1. Y plus equals 1. If y equals 5, then y equals 0. Then we plot it. I don't see an error. Do you see an error here? Let me just maybe just refresh the screen. Probably refresh the screen to make it better. Yeah, okay, so you see it's moving, but why is it staying on here?
Is it x equal 1?
That's right. Wow, that's very good catch out, yeah? You see, then yeah? Okay. Okay, so you see that's how we control the bits, yeah?
And then send it.
Okay, let's download it. Wait, download it down. Okay, and I'm going to wait. I'm going to drag this to Microbit, and then you ask me to confirm. Wait, no, yeah. Okay, wait, it was 17% completed. 17% completed. 60, 85. Okay, you see the dots? You see? Yeah. Okay. Okay, got it? Do you understand? Wow, that's a very good spot, okay? This one, okay? But you get the point, yeah? You get the point. Variables, yeah? We have talked about variables, yeah? This here. The mass, okay? Radius, we don't have radius in the moment. In order to use the radius, we need to plug these into some special radar devices. LEDs is the thing we talk about. We can actually change the brightness. Okay, change how brightness this finger dot is. Yeah. Okay, make sense? Okay, so let's say what else can you do with this finger device with 25 pixels? What can you do? Just
play game. Play game. Apple catching finger.
Okay, but that's a big project. Let's wait it until tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, apple catching. Yeah, easy. Okay. But have you? Yeah, it's interesting for today. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.